You can create complex shapes in Symfy using the constructor area geometry, the tool that is located in miscellaneous tools. You can find it here. This tool is constructor area tool. When you click this one, you will get some options which is for union, intersection, etc. Let me show you an example. I am creating a box. Now I am creating another circle. If I want to create a shape from these two shapes, when I click on this one, the shape obtained by subtraction is created. You can also perform other operations in constructor area geometry. For example, if you want to create a shape that is created by exclusive ORing these two shapes, choose this tool. You can hover your mouse. Oops, it doesn't tell you anything. But the first tool is for union, the shape. Second tool is for intersection. Third one is for difference. Fourth one is for exclusive OR. Just select the tool and click the intersecting portion and you will get the shape. But there is a catch. The shapes created are approximated polygons. These are not smooth shapes, although they seem. If I zoom it more and more and more, you will see that it is not a smooth shape. It is approximated polygon. You can change the fineness. For example, let me create another one. I'm creating the difference. And if I reduce the fineness, look at the shape. This is approximated polygon. You can change the fineness as per your need, but just remember that it is not a closed smooth figure. It is just an approximated polygon. You can also create complex shapes by importing the shapes from the file. I am creating new body. Right click, create body and leave them defaults. Now the body doesn't have any fixture. We will have to add the fixture manually. You can add a fixture circle, enter the radius. Now the body consists of one fixture, this one. You can remove the fixture as well. Now we are going to add a polygonal fixture, non-convex polygon. Now you can choose here the algorithm used to decompose the set of points into polygon. I am using ear clipping. You can enter the data either from arbitrary polygon. So you can select this one and here you will see these are the set of points: x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, and this is the preview of decomposed polygon. You can get the set of data from some string as well, a comma separated string. For example, this one. This is x coordinate of first point, y coordinate of first point, x and y coordinates are second point, this is third point, this is fourth. Now click over parse. This is the preview of decomposed polygon. You can also create a file containing the data in this format. You can view the sample file here. You can take the set of points as comma separated file. The x and y coordinates are separated like this string. Now you have to just add body has gone somewhere else. Let us reset it. This is the shape that was created using the set of points. I hope it will be useful if you want to import some polygons from a file, or if you want to create some complex polygon using constructive area geometry. You can also create some complex shapes from the outline of a transparent image. You will have to choose the miscellaneous toolbar, and this tool, image to body, will serve the purpose. On clicking the tool, it says simulation does not contain any image. Then we will have to add some images to the simulation. You just have to drag and drop the images. Let me add these 3 images to the simulation. Now you can see the images are added to the simulation. Now click on this tool, you get this image. Now you just have to auto create, and if I click on auto create, the outline has already been chosen. You can change the tolerance to make it more fine. If you reduce the tolerance, it will be more fine. You can see on zooming. But greater the tolerance, greater will be the number of vertices and greater will be the number of polygons, and making it slow to process. So you will have to make a compromisation between a satisfactory outline and the performance. Let me keep it default. Now I am going to add this to the simulation. Now the shape has been added to the simulation. And you can see that the outline is properly created. You can also edit the fixtures later. These are the polygons that are approximated in this body. You can move it away. Even you can add certain polygon to it. Double click the body, create the polygon, it will be added to the body. I am going to change the outline. Now you can see that a circular body is added to the body. The image doesn't exist beyond this part, that's why it is not visible. But now you can check by collision detection that the circular body is added to this body. Once again, this is an experimental feature, so there may be some bugs or there may be some discrepancies. So please, you may have to repeat it again and again, or you may have to tweak it a little bit to get it working. Thanks for watching.